Hello there and welcome to another one of our Lexical Lab 1 minute English videos. If you enjoy this video, please do subscribe to our YouTube channel and check out our website www.lexicallab.com to see what else we have to offer you. As any foreign person who's spent a long period of time in the UK will be able to tell you, the question, how are you, is quite an odd one. Because generally, if an English person asks you, how are you, they're not really that interested in the answer. People often say, hey, how are you? How's it going? Yeah, fine, thanks, I'm good. How are you? Yeah, not bad, thanks. Okay, see you later. And we do this even if we're going through immense upheaval and turmoil in our personal lives or at home. It's just a sort of fixed greeting and response. I was reminded of this yesterday when I was teaching online and one of my students arrived a little bit early and we started chatting and I asked, how are you? And she said, oh, don't ask, I've had such a terrible day. My mum's been ill, then the internet went down and I couldn't teach online at all, and then I've just had a big argument with my teenage son. Ah! Oh, I'm really sorry to go on about it all. I realise you probably didn't want to know any of this. Being English. No, I said, don't worry. It's good to get things off your chest. If you get things off your chest, you tell somebody things that have been bothering you or annoying you or worrying you. So maybe you've got something on your mind that you want to talk to someone about, and it's a difficult subject to talk about, but eventually you pluck up the courage to tell them and you just pour out all of your feelings, and then maybe you apologise by saying, listen, sorry, I know you probably didn't want to hear all that, but I needed to get it off my chest. If you have enjoyed this video, please do click the like button, share it with your friends, subscribe, and in the comment section below, we'd love to hear about times when you had to get things off your chest.